So I just got this battery installed by Napa, and it's a Legend, Napa Legend, and I got the larger size that fits in my pan, which gives me more co-cranking amps than the stock size. So this is a size 34 battery, 850 co-cranking amps, and 690 at 0 degrees, I would presume. Date, it's early March, so this is super fresh battery, February 26. And this car, I done a video before how it eats batteries, searching for a G3 signal that doesn't exist. So in order for this battery not to die prematurely or within the warranty, I'm going to add this on and off switch so that I can turn the battery off while the car sits for longer periods of time than just overnight. So if I don't plan to use it for a day or two, I just pop the hood, switch it off, and the battery will sit and unmolested and unused. Then when I go to start it, so if I use this throughout the life of the battery, I should extend it by at least double or extra year, whatever. Cheap insurance to keep my battery fresh, because this model car tends to eat batteries. So let's get started. Let's install it. So basically you're gonna start with a 10 millimeter socket, and we're gonna remove the negative. So we'll loosen this up and we'll pull this up. And now we got the negative removed. So we'll put the plate here. Put the lock washer here, and then we'll put the screw. And we'll attach that, right? And then we have the option of moving this around depending how we fit it. So now this should fit to this, with basically this new adapter will sit on here, and it will have a screw with a washer, and we'll get that on there. And we'll screw this down, and we'll attach this post. So we're gonna have this go on the battery. This is our on off, and this is where the post will attach to now. So how we're gonna work this out? I could put it here. This will reach out there or on top of the battery. Put it here. Let me see. I don't know. So basically, I'm gonna route it like this. New adapter to the plate, on off switch to the negative. When you turn it on, it should complete the circuit and the car should start up. So we're gonna fasten this up. Okay, so we're gonna put our little mushroom pads here that comes with the kit. Just makes it look nice. Do I have one on the positive? No, maybe I'll put one on my positive too while we're here. Mushroom pad. There we go, that looks nice. Okay, so there it is. Let's see if we got power to the car. Okay, car has no power. We switched it on. Well, car has power now. Turned on successfully. Everything is secure. So hopefully that's my solution for keeping this battery fresh for a long time. Small price to pay to extend the life of your battery if you have issue, or even if you have long-term garage storage, you can really save your battery wear and tear. So that's the battery connector right there.